अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 9th क्लास बायोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है वो आज आपसे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह इनमें से आपके पेपर में मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग दोनों टाइम में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। आप इन क्वेश्चंस को अच्छी तरह से तैयार करें। राइट मेजर बायोलॉजिकल इश्यूज़ ऑफ टुडे, आज के दौर के बड़े बायोलॉजिकल इश्यूज़ बताएं। इन विच फॉर्मेट्स डाटा कैन बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, डाटा को किन सूरतों में तरतीब दिया जा सकता है। राइट टू अचीवमेंट ऑफ कार्लियस लिनियस, write difference between primary and secondary cell wall, difference between hypertonic and hypotonic solution, difference between disjunctions and non-disjunction, define crossing over, why and when Kelvin was awarded Nobel Prize, what is lactic acid fermentation, what are FAD and NAD, write any 4 sources of lipids, what is meant by dietary fiber, write any 4 symptoms of deficiency of vitamin C, विटामिन सी की कमी के कोई से 4 अलामात लिखें। What is the difference between source and sink, describe 2 function of white blood cells in human body, इंसानी जिस्म में खून के सफ़ेद जसीमों के 2 नाम बताएं, 2 काम बताएं। डिस्क्राइब फंक्शन ऑफ जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम, व्हाट आर प्रिवेंटिव मेजर टू कंट्रोल डेंगू फीवर, डेंगू बुखार को कंट्रोल करने के लिए एहतियाती तदबीर बताएं। बायो टेक्नोलॉजी की तारीफ़ करें। व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय कम्युनिटी, गिव एग्जाम्पल। राइट 2 करैक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ गुड हाइपोथेसिस, एक अच्छे हाइपोथेसिस की 2 खुसूसियात तहरीर करें। डिफरेंस थ्योरी एंड लॉ, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी, व्हाट इज एंडोसाइटोसिस, गिव इट्स टाइप। व्हेन एंड हाउ डज साइनेप्सिस अकर, कब और कैसे साइनेप्सिस होती है। डिफाइन मैलिजिनेंट एंड B9 ट्यूमर, डिफाइन कोएंजाइम, What are difference between substrate and active site? Write down the composition of ATP. Define cellular respiration. Describe the role of iron in human body. Write two functions of large intestine. Describe two reasons for the creation of transpiration pool. How is plasma separated from blood? प्लाज्मा को ब्लड से कैसे अलग किया जाता है? Difference between arteries and veins. Define zoology and botany. Difference between quantitative observation and qualitative observation. What is meant by incubation period? Characteristics of kingdom Monera. Define binomial nomenclature. What are chromoplasts? Define mitosis. What is regeneration? Give example. Name the important vitamins which are coenzyme. Write the dietary sources of protein. What about anemia which is produced due to mineral deficiency? मिनरल्स की कमी से पैदा होने वाली बीमारी एनीमिया के बारे में लिखिए. डिफाइन चर्निंग प्रोसेस. What write the role of vascular system in plants? What are parasites? Two achievements of Jabir bin Hayyan. Define ratio and proportion. What is the process of reverse osmosis? What is phragmoplast? Difference between somatic cells and germline cells. Define metabolism. What is photosynthesis? When and who discovered ATP? What is glycolysis? Why iron is required for blood and muscles? Write two main types of white blood cells. Write the name of mosquito that spread dengue fever. Which systems are responsible for transport in human? What is biosphere? What is meant by reporting of result? How a theory is formulated? Write two aims of classification. What are the function of leucoplast and chromoplast? Define anabolism and catabolism. Which are autotrophic and heterotrophic organism? What is the function of veins? Write the names of two diseases of blood. What is the cohesion tension theory? Define biotechnology. What is filtration? What is meant by pigments? Write names of photosynthesis pigments. Describe the importance of vitamin C. Why a human heart is called as double pump? Write the role of potassium and calcium in human body. What are parasites? Define macro and micro molecules. Importance of biodiversity. Write three postulates of cell theory. What is activation energy? Describe the use of enzyme in food industry. How is bullous formed? What are lenticels and where are they found in plant body? What is meant by angina pectoris? Write the names of two books of Abdul Malik Asma. What is the reporting of result? Write two functions of centrioles. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Compare aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Write down the types of fermentations. What is systematic circulation? Write the names of two tissues present in stomach. Difference between cytokinesis and karyokinesis. What is meant by anaerobes? Write down the names of food containing protein. Write down the importance of water for human. What is the role of magnesium in plants? Define pulmonary circulation. What is source in transport of food? What is gastric juice? Name the enzyme present in it. What is liver? How does it weigh in an adult human? Difference between arteries and capillaries. You see pus at the site of infection on your skin. How is it formed? Define somatic cells. What is meant by a tumor? What is meant by lock and key model? Define anabolism. Define diffusion. Write two functions of centrosome. Write down two benefits of mustard plants. सरसों के पौधों के दो फ़वाइद. The organ system level of animals is more complex than plants. Why? जानवरों का ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल पौधों की निस्बत ज़्यादा पेचीदा होता है, क्यों? ये आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थे जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थे. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इंशाअल्लाह ताला हम कल बताएंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.